All right. Alajinga checking in. Part two. I accidentally hit the button and stopped the other video, so I'm doing a continuation of this one just so we can catch the expiry. Down by 20 pips on the AJ trade. On the EJ trade, it's fairly close. 6 pips away. With 6 minutes. Still in profit right now. It's been hanging in that area for a little bit. We'll see what it try to do at 11 o'clock. But it's going pretty good so far. I'm not going to really get into the charts and anything like that because it's all experimental. So, with that being said, we're just going to leave it at that. We're going to take a look and see what the max profits is on these trades. 97.50 on the AJ trade. And 107.25 on the EJ trade. So let's do the math. We'll add those two together. So I end up making 204.75 on the trade, which really ain't important. I'm just really trying to see if this trade is going to win through expiring and testing some of these strategies out and see which one is going to win at the highest rate. So I'm still building a few more, and it's going to go under testing. So far, I got 3 strategies on the 2 in trades right now on each pair, on each chart. We'll see how they go. But give me just a moment, guys. I'll be back at the end of the expiry. Yo, just getting back in. Sorry, but the trades did win. Let's go to AJ real quick and EJ real quick. We'll put 3 a.m. on there just to show you price. 128.49. My price was 128.57. That won. On AJ, price was 81.40, and right now it's 81.16. So that won. Now I got in another trade right now. But I'm not sure. I could have. I don't know. I don't know if I should have pulled the trigger on this one, but I did. But I'm in the trade right now, and I'm just gonna hold this video until this trade ends, and we'll see the end result of that. Right now, I'm in the midst of trying to name this strategy. So give me just a moment. Be getting back with you guys in just a little. Yo, Alajinga checking in. Under a minute left. Under a minute left. The trade going pretty well. This is my 3rd strategy I'm testing out. It's working out pretty fine. USD JPY. I did a sell at 112.78. It's 112.70. I bought 2 contracts at $36.75. So you do the math, that's $70. So things looking good. We got a countdown of under 20 seconds and counting. And this trade will be over, and this video will be over, and we'll see how it's gonna be going in the next month and a half. And we know this is a victory. Boom, there it goes. And we have a victory. Alright, y'all. Alajinga checking out.